How to add Linktree to Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will guide you how you can add Linktree to Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Google in your device and in the search bar type in Linktree and search for it. Now navigate the first thing on your interface, that is Linktree official website. Once you're here, you may be asked to log in into your account. Make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your Linktree account, on this interface under My Linktree, there is a share button at the bottom right corner. Tap on share. Now here it says tap on share my Linktree to. Here you have various options that you can share, but scroll down at the very end, there is your link. Tap on copy. Once you have copied this link, now you have to close it and open up your Instagram in your device. And make sure that you're logged in with your preferred Instagram account. From your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. That's gonna take you to your profile. Once you're under your profile, tap on edit profile button just below your profile name. Here, scroll down and just below the bio text box, there's an option to add a link. Tap on add link and again select add external link. Now at the top, you have to paste the link that you have copied from Linktree. Under that, enter the title. Once you're done with that, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and with that you have added Linktree on your Instagram. Now if you go back to your profile, and there you go, it has been already added. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.